Hey guys, so today before we get into the video, I just wanted to show you this quick clip of a game I had the other day of Fortnite. Now, let me tell you, I am not good at this game, and I've never won, and I rarely get any kills, but today was my most awesome kill. I just heard these footsteps. This other guy was my enemy hiding behind the fridge, but I came running down the stairs, did not even see him until I had shot him in the face, and it was pretty epic. So there you go. Yep, hope you enjoy that. Hey guys, this is C+ Hacker, and today I'm going to be showing you how to increase your virtual memory, or your RAM. So on computers, once the RAM gets filled up and used by certain programs, then the operating system reaches into a small portion of your hard drive and uses that as RAM to increase the memory. And so what we're going to be doing here today is basically increasing the amount that it allows Windows to use. So first of all, click on File Explorer, right-click on this PC, and click on Properties. Now take note of how much RAM you have. You can see I have 8 gigs here. Then open up Advanced System Settings. Then it should open up to the Advanced tab, and under Performance, click Settings, click Advanced at the top, and then under Virtual Memory, click Change, and uncheck this box that says Automatically Managing Paging File Sizes for all drivers. So paging files are the files that Windows creates to take advantage of extra space on your computer as memory. And click Custom Size. Now, how do we determine the initial size? So I've got a formula here, and I will have the link in the description as to where I found this, and there's more information about this on their page. But basically, you take 1.5 times the initial size of your RAM, and then for the minimum, and then the maximum is 3 times the initial size. That's a little confusing, but I'll help you through it. So I've got 8 gigabytes of RAM, so we need to find 1.5 times that. So if I open up my calculator, you have to do this in megabytes because that's how your computer measures it. And if you remember, a gigabyte is 1024 megabytes. So if we do 1024 times 8, we've got 8,192. That is the first number we need to put in. Okay. And then the maximum size is 3 times that. So we multiply this by 3, 24,576. Whoops. All right, I believe that is correct. Okay, so once you've got that, then you're going to click Set, and then hit OK. And a prompt should pop up. I don't think it did it for me because I've done this before, but it should pop up saying your computer needs to restart. You have to restart your computer in order for it to enable the use of this extra memory. But once it does, then your computer is going to have a little bit more RAM. Now, you may be wondering if there are any drawbacks to this, and there are a couple. First of all, hard drives are slower than RAM. A computer can access the RAM much more quickly, and it uses up extra space, but if you have extra space on your hard drive, then it's not much of a problem. Also, if you're using an SSD, I think an SSD is better than using a regular hard drive for this, but an SSD over time wears down because of how much its stuff is being written to the disk. And so just because I have an SSD and I want my computer to last longer and I don't really need the extra RAM, I don't use this. But for all of you who want to increase the RAM for gaming or multitasking or whatever, then this is a cool solution, and I think it's pretty interesting. So let me know what you guys think about this in the comments below, and until next time, peace.